Good morning. Today is Wednesday the 8th of March, and I'm gonna vlog today. I have a really long to-do list, and the last time I did a daily vlog I accomplished so much of it. So it's currently 4 minutes to 10, so I'm gonna quickly throw on some makeup because I find if I put makeup on it makes me feel more put together, and so makes me feel more empowered and more motivated to get things done. I need to have a glass of water actually, so let me get that. Yeah, I'm gonna put some makeup on now. I have actually already done a workout this morning. So Ellis came into our room at, I don't know, 2 AM last night, which is unheard of. Not that he woke up, he always wakes up early. He likes to wake up at stupid times in the night, but he never comes into our bed. He did last night, and neither Sean or I could be bothered to kick him out, so that's where he stayed. So he was in the room with us from, I think it's about 2:30. Quinn woke up a few times as normal. She's in her own room now. She stayed in her own room, but she woke up at 5:30 and wanted to be fed. And because she woke up at 5:30, and because Ellis was in our bed, I fed her, put her back down. She went back to sleep, and I was like, okay, she's back to sleep. Ellis is in my bed, so I was like, I'll get up, I'll do a workout. So I did a workout. And then when I had finished doing my workout, Ellis and Sean were up and getting dressed. I was like, I'm just gonna hop in the shower while they had breakfast. Quinn was still asleep, I don't know what's going on with that. So I had a shower, and so yeah, and I'm now ready. So it's 10 o'clock on the dot now, put some makeup on, and then get going with my to-do list. I do need to film a video today of the books I read in February. We're currently, like I say, March the 8th, and I haven't filmed it. It should have gone up probably last week, but I had Disney vlogs that went up, so they kind of took priority. So I need to film a video today. Things I really need to do. I'm gonna read you my list. Look how long that is. So I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get done. We're gonna see how productive I can be. My priority is, what am I doing? What do I need to do now? My priority is to get this video filmed of the books I read. It won't take me very long because I read a groundbreaking 2 books last month, because one of the books I read just was all consuming, and it was an audiobook, and it just took all my brain power and all my energy, and so I couldn't do anything else. I had to just listen to that book until it was over, and usually I can listen to a book and read a book at the same time. Not at the same time, you know what I mean. But I couldn't with this book, so I need to film that video. It's meant to be going up today. That's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna edit a video for today. So I need to find a TikTok which I've created and download that and then upload it as a YouTube short, because that's probably the best thing to do for today's video. And then this video of my books will go up on Friday. So by the time you've seen this, the book video will be up. So go watch it if you're interested, see what books I read last month. But so yeah, so things I might to do is to do Vinted. We have a huge box of stuff to go up on Vinted. It's been sat in our living room for about just over a month now, I would say. It's been up for a long old time, and I just need to get on and just, every time I want to go and take the photos for Vinted, something else more important comes along. And so I haven't done that. So that's a really big thing I really want to do. Need to clean the bathrooms and the toilets, because, so one of my New Year's resolutions was to be more serious with the organised mum method, which is essentially every day for half an hour you clean a room in the house, and then it means if you do that every day, just half an hour, with an additional 15 minutes to clean all the bathrooms on top of that, so it's technically 45 minutes. So 45-minute clean every single day, which isn't really that much time. And then if you do that every day, your house will be clean, and you'll always have a tidy, clean house, because every day you're doing a small amount. And then it means also on the weekends you're not doing any cleaning, because you do it from Monday to Friday. I have not been sticking to that at all. I think I did it maybe for like a couple of days in January. But you know what? 45 minutes, although it's not that much time, it takes a lot of, for me anyway, a lot of motivation, and I just can't get on board with it. I just can't find the urge to get up and do it, because I can't be bothered, to be honest. And I do need to get back on it, because sometimes the bathrooms at the minute are horrible. We'll clean the toilets obviously here and then, but sinks get grubby, and then I'll wipe them when I'm standing in there, but it just needs most of the bathrooms need a good proper clean. Especially we have a toilet downstairs, and that's the main one that Ellis uses, and that one does need a proper clean, because obviously he's 3 and using toilets and washing hands with soap it was a very messy job. And also, Sean's going to help me with this if he can. One of the things we do is clean our sofas. We've got those snug sofas which attract all the lint in the world to them, and they're really covered in loads of lint at the minute. We're meant to clean them every week and we haven't done it for ages, and they are awful. Love a snug sofa, but I don't love the upkeep, have to admit. I need to email my uncle, which sounds like random, but my uncle was meant to visit us a couple of weeks ago, but he couldn't come in the end. And in his email, to explain to why he couldn't come, he asked if he could see some photos of us at Disneyland, and I haven't got back to him and haven't sent him any photos, so I need to do that. Email Ellis's swimming instructor. Again, I've been back and forth through an email chain with them. The last time she emailed me was about 2 weeks ago, and I haven't ever replied. Just things get in the way. I need to make broccoli and cauliflower muffins for Quinn, my 8-month-old, for baby-led weaning. I want to bulk cook a meal, maybe a dal or something for dinner. Maybe not have it today, but I need to bulk cook it so we have it for when we do need it. And the final thing I need to do is I need to email my favourite wax melt company, Favour and Grace. Absolutely love them. I need to email them and ask them if they would like to donate one of their wax melts for an open event at a local animal sanctuary. I need to get on and do that because, well, I do. I said I would do it. I haven't done it, so that's everything. There's a lot of stuff. I don't think I'm going to get through all of it today, but I'm going to try my hardest to do as much as I can because I hate having long to-do lists. I don't ever seem to be anything crossed off them. It's driving me mad having all this stuff to do. So yeah, let me finish putting my makeup on and I will be back with you. So I have just finished filming my book review video. I haven't done a sit down video for a really long time. And so I find whenever I go to do a sit down video, I jumble up my words, I can't get my sentences out properly, my brain works faster than my mouth does, and everything just goes bleh. So hopefully when I go to edit it, it's not too cutty, you know, like not too choppy, not too much to edit, but I feel like there's going to be quite a lot of edits in it, which is annoying because I see some people do YouTube videos and they can speak for a solid 20 minutes without any cuts at all, and it's so like flowy and you don't get any ums or ahs and it's just amazing. And then I go to edit a video and I just think, oh my goodness, Caroline, speak properly. It's not a skill I have. I need to go on some sort of like public speaking course or something because I just can't speak clearly, fluently, coherently. Exhibit A. Anyway, that's something to cross off my list. I have now filmed that video, which is great. I will edit it tomorrow and it'll go up on Friday. So if you enjoy watching book reviews, then please go ahead and check the video out. I'll link it somewhere down below, up in the corner somewhere. If you didn't know, I've got a goal to read 50 books this year, and so yeah, I'm just wanting to do an update every single month of how many books I've read, just to keep myself accountable. So far this year, as of March the 8th, I have read 9 books, so it's okay. That's not phenomenal, but it's okay. It's not the worst. It could be a lot worse than that. It does say on my Goodreads app that I need to read 1 book a week to keep up with that, which is doable, so doable, but I have to just remember to read because I'm very good at just like doom scrolling on my phone, and obviously no good comes from that, and I could be reading instead. But anyway, I've done that. Quinn is napping, so I don't know when she's gonna wake up. I feel like she's gonna wake up soon, so maybe I'll go upstairs. Oh, no, maybe I'll make broccoli and cauliflower muffins actually. That might be a good idea, because then at least when she wakes up, then she'll have something to eat. Let's do that. Also, the cauliflower in the fridge probably needs to be used. So let's do that now. Okay, so the muffins are in the oven. Hopefully they taste alright. It's always the baking process which worries me in case they get really dry. Sean is working. He's just been keeping an eye on this one. Yeah. Time to get you out of there. Yum yum. Although not on my list of things to do, I'm currently in my son's room and I'm just going to put away his World Book Day Gruffalo outfit, and then I bought this dress yesterday. It was £4 from Sainsbury's, Queen of Hearts one, either for my son and obviously for my daughter when she's older. But yeah, so I'm going to put those away now. he hasn't seen the Queen of Hearts one, so I want to put it away before he does see it, because he's going to want to wear it obviously immediately. Then whilst I'm here, I also want to get out some of his books, because he's needs to sort of rotate the books he does have out, because he's getting a bit bored of them. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Oh no, it doesn't fit. How annoying. So many books. So many books in here. Look at that. Right, let's sort those out now. Currently surrounded by books. I'm going to just polish this little unit here, and obviously the top of it, and just give it a good clean, because it's a bit dusty. Not too bad, but there's bits of dust in there. Give that a clean, and then sort these out and put most of them in there, so he doesn't overwhelm him with them being here. But yeah, so many books. I mean, you can't have too many, but there's so many. Right, so I have obviously done my emailing. Madam Quinn, oh, we can't see her. Quinn, where are you? Quinn is awake now. Oh, is awake now. So I was going to clean the bathrooms, but I can't really do that obviously with a baby in tow. So I might do that shortly when Sean is not working anymore. So I'm thinking if she's happy just to sit down for a minute in that bouncer or in the playpen, I might try and do some vintage stuff and just try and make a start on the vintage. I say make a start. This is all for vintage. A lot of it is already on there. That's not true. I say about a quarter of it is already on there. There's a lot more that needs to go on there. So I'm going to maybe make a start on that and try and get it going, because this big box of stuff here was meant to be sold last year. If she's happy in there, then I'm going to give it a go. Sean has cleaned the sofas. That's one thing off my list I haven't got to worry about, which is perfect. And yeah, right, let's try and do this. If I'm honest, I can only get... How's the song go?
But if I'm honest, I'm
beginning to wonder how much I want this. Love this little set on Ellis. And then I realise I hate dinosaurs. So therefore, I love it if it wasn't dinosaurs. Yeah. Well, I did quite well with the vintage stuff. Problem is that there's so much stuff in that basket, and some of it is already on vintage. And so I've uploaded a few bits of Sean's things, and I've already sold a blazer. That's how quick it went. I've put Sean's things up. But I'm going to have to go through everything else, which is like the baby stuff, later, and just to check what's already on Vinted and what's not on Vinted, because I did like bundles and things that are on there currently. So I need to just go and check what I've actually already uploaded, and also the stuff that I need to upload, I need to sort of put into sizes and see if I'm going to sell them as bundles or individuals. But at least I've made a start to it. I also have just been to the pharmacy to buy myself... Every time I bend down, I always want to smack my head on the table. Like, douche! The table. Some infected eye drops, because this eye here is starting to swell up a bit. Ellis had a touch of conjunctivitis last week. Quinn also had a touch of conjunctivitis earlier on in the week, because she had a bit of a cold / was teething. And now I have it on... No, I have more than a touch, because they didn't have swollen eyes. So I now have conjunctivitis. So I just ran to the pharmacy and got this stuff, and hopefully it does the job, because I don't want conjunctivitis. I don't think I've ever really had it before, so I'm not thrilled. But yeah, we need to go collect Ellis from nursery. It is chucking it down with rain. It was snowing this morning, and now it's raining, and it's nice and cold.
Oh, it's sleet.
Lovely. Not done too badly with my things to do. I don't feel like, oh, well, actually, while you're out, I'm gonna clean that toilet downstairs. That's what I'm going to do. Right, I've just put Quinn to bed and now Sean is currently doing Ellis's bath and getting him ready. So before I go upstairs and say goodnight to Ellis and before I start making dinner, I just want to clean this toilet here. So this is the toilet I'm talking about. This is the one that Ellis uses most out of everyone in the house. It's this little one here. It's just off the kitchen. The kitchen's just there. And then, yeah, we have this little toilet here. Obviously, is where Ellis uses it the most because he can come in here when he is, you know, having breakfast or dinner. He can just run in here instead of having to go upstairs. So, obviously, with that, it means, you know, saying about the sink, you see how it's got like, can you see? I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it's just got smears all over it from where he washes his hands with soap. It just gets everywhere, and yeah, it just needs a general tidy and clean. So I've got my anti-bac spray and glass spray. My bleach is upstairs. I'm going to go upstairs and get the bleach to do the toilet after I finish cleaning it. I was going to give it a quick freshen up because yeah, it needs it. Okay, all done. Didn't take me very long at all, really. I don't know why I don't do it more regularly to save myself the hassle, but I just need to bleach the toilet because that, like I said, that is upstairs and I'm downstairs and I can't be bothered to go upstairs and get it right now. But yeah, and then this is my thing. The mirror is streak free finally. Whoever put this silly long mirror in, I don't know what they were thinking. Like, who would ever need a mirror to be from the bottom of the sink all the way up there? Like, what were they thinking? I don't know. Also, look at my eye. Oh my goodness, conjunctivitis is really like coming into full effect. Love that. Right, I'm gonna wash my hands and then start making dinner. It's the next day. I completely forgot to finish yesterday's vlog. For dinner we had this stir-fry sweet chilli sesame meat-free chicken udon. I had every intention of filming it and then I completely forgot. Too excited to eat it. But yeah, so today is Thursday. My hair is crazy. My conjunctivitis is a little bit better today. The eye drops are clearly working, but they were a bit sore yesterday evening as well. So that's fun, love that. So yeah, today, I was supposed to be seeing a friend today, but because of my conjunctivitis, I thought it might be a bad idea because she has a little one who I think is 4 months old. And so I don't want to be obviously spreading my germs about. So I had to rearrange that for another week. So today, I'm gonna continue with my to-do list and finish the rest of the things on there, starting with filming some TikToks. If you didn't know, I have a TikTok account. Please go on over there and follow me. I will link me down below. I'd very much appreciate it. I'm spending more time on TikTok than I am on Instagram these days, mainly because Instagram I find is just a joy sucker for me. I don't enjoy myself much over there. I'm trying to get back on it, but I'm finding it hard. Every time I post something, I just don't feel very enthusiastic about it. Whereas on TikTok, I feel a lot more freer and happier. So yeah, much like I do on YouTube here. So yeah, anyway, might end the vlog video here because I feel like today's just gonna be much the same as yesterday. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.